Hey guys, on today's tips, tricks, and tech, I'm going to teach you 4 things not to do when cleaning your chain. Go to YouTube, you're going to find 150 videos on how to clean a chain. And today I'm going to give you 4 pointers from my 30 years of experience of what not to do when cleaning your chain, okay? Number 1, if the bike is in the air and on a stand, do not start the engine, put it in first gear, and hold your hand right here on the chain, okay? Google motorcycle sprocket fingers, and you will find out why not to do it. The engine running doesn't care when the rag gets caught in the sprocket and takes your fingers around the back, okay? It will take them clean off, so do not do that, okay? Number 2, when you're spraying a cleaner on the chain, find the little pocket here away from the side of your tire, put a rag behind it, and spray the cleaner right here. Rotate the tire forward, the chain forward, spray along here, and continue to do that, okay? Number 3, you saw what I was just doing there. When it does come time to wiping the chain and cleaning it, pull from the top of the tire down, thus making the chain go away from the sprocket. So as you're pulling on it, it is continually keeping your fingers and the rag out of the sprocket. Even by hand, when you go like this and you catch a thumb in there, it really hurts. Ask me how I know. It sucks, okay? And the last thing, do not, when it comes time to lube the chain, spray paint the side of the chain. Don't spray paint the side of the sprocket, the hub, the side of your tire, all that stuff. All you need is a little amount along the rollers on the back here. Spray 1 complete circle, let it sit for a minute or 2, then take a clean rag and just dab off any extra drips and let it go, okay? You'd rather have just enough lubrication on there versus too much. It gets all over, makes a mess, and might throw you on the ground in the first corner, okay? So that is our tips, tricks, and tech tip of the day. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. If not, like and subscribe, and we'd appreciate it. Thank you. This is David from the Helmet Center, helmetcenter.com in Glendale, Arizona.